The Honor 8X is one of the latest budget flagship phones to hit the market, and for 999 dirhams, you get quite a few things inside the box. The phone itself, which here is in a stunning red finish, but also a SIM tool, some paperwork, and a silicone case for protection. You also find a standard charging brick, a micro USB charging cable, which arguably might be one of the drawbacks for the phone, and a pair of earphones to connect via the phone's 3.5mm headphone jack. Much of the hype around this phone is on its looks and the AI 20 and 2 megapixel cameras. The looks of course are stunning as I said, but the cameras are something that I'll test out further in my full review. The front of the phone features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. It's an IPS LCD panel, and the bezel-less look to it makes the phone look a lot more premium. It's impressive how Honor's done this by maintaining such a thin bottom bezel, yet keeping all the essentials of any budget phone. From the brief time I've used the phone, I found the smart screen resolution feature very unique. It's nice to see it come to budget phones and not just exclusively to flagship phones. And the notch also serves at least some degree of purpose with Face Unlock, even though it might not be 3D like Apple's, but then again, there's the option to use the fingerprint scanner. Unlocking the phone via the Face Unlock feature is fast, but I'll have to see how secure the feature is as I use the phone more often. Like any traditional Honor phone, this one's based on EMUI 8.2 in particular on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. So it's not the latest that you find on the likes of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro series, but the functionality is similar. I'll have a go at testing the octa-core Kirin 710 chip on board as I spend more time with the phone, but I'm excited to really try out the camera suite. So look out for my full review in a bit and comparisons with other budget phones and some unique ones with flagship level phones as well. So that's about it for the Honor 8X for now. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos coming up shortly. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.